Hi, my name is Bill, and in this 4-minute video we're going to take a look at my recent attempt to find a eagle's nest that's along the shore of Lake Erie. Remember back in end of January I posted a shoreline, Lake Erie shoreline adventure video, and I pointed out what I thought was an eagle's nest. Well, I know there's an eagle that makes its nest out here because I see it all the time during the summer when I come out here for bike rides. But anyway, we're flying over the area, and I'm looking down. It's now if you know anything about eagle's nests, they're made out of branches and twigs and everything like that. So finding it in amongst trees that are just showing branches, bare branches, was going to be a tough thing to do anyway. So I saw this little dark spot over here, but then. And I gave it a second look, but then I was thinking, well, that's just, some sort of a pine tree that, and I was thinking that the nest was somewhere around here, because remember I pointed it out from while I was over the lake, but I didn't see it exactly. So then I started looking on the ground to see if maybe one of the famous windstorms that we get coming off of Lake Erie blew it out of the tree, and it would mean that the eagle would have to rebuild its nest for this year. And I shot this at the beginning of this video at the beginning of March, and I figured it was still safe because the eagles don't usually come back until about second week of April or something like that. So we made one pass, and now I'm going to back it up and drop the camera straight down and kind of see if I can locate that. I was going to give it a second shot here and see if I could find it. So we're going a little bit slower, and I'm looking straight down and hoping that I can see, if I'm not seeing the eagle's nest itself in the tops of the trees, that maybe I'd see like a pile of branches or something like that on the ground. So making our way back to launch point here, and I'm really looking. Of course, at the time I'm flying this, I'm only looking at a fairly small screen, but even looking at this in post while I'm editing, I really couldn't see anything. So I'm not sure what happened to the eagle's nest. And again, this patch of green from some sort of a evergreen tree, just the top of it, looks suspicious. But again, I didn't see any signs of what would be an eagle's nest. And if while you're viewing this, if you see something like that, mark the time stamp now, and let me post it down below, and I'll see if I can verify it. But I know that the eagle will be back, because I've been riding my bike out to this spot for over 10 years every year, and the eagles are always come back, and they're always really fun to watch, flying along Lake Erie. A lot of times they dive down and snatch a fish right out of the water, and it's pretty neat to see. But so I gave it a shot, but I didn't see anything, and I probably won't take anything up in the vicinity when the eagle comes back, because it'd be just too dangerous. So here we're kind of dropping down, and we're gonna land it. You see me standing there. I was keeping an eye on it as we drop down through the trees, because it's a pretty tough spot to land. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you got any comments, leave them down below. We're posting another video here pretty soon, and thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you're so inclined.